Hey guys, long time no see. I really just wanted to hop on here and do a quick announcement video, and then I'm also going to share my FabFitFun for the month, or for the season, sorry. But I know I haven't been on here, and it has been a incredibly interesting, overwhelming, and emotional summer for me. And honestly, I just did not have the energy, the motivation, or even the time to sit down and film for you guys. So I know I've done a lot of breaks on this channel. I know you guys have seen me go through a lot of different phases of life. It has just been very overwhelming recently for me, and I needed to take a step back. Now that doesn't mean I'm falling off the face of the earth. It doesn't mean I'm quitting YouTube or anything like that, because you guys have really helped me kind of develop into the space that I want to be in. And with that being said, I wanted to make an announcement that I have started a second YouTube channel that is specifically focused on Disney and Disney alone. So any Disney content that you usually love to watch from me, like Disney hauls, Disney tips, advice, Disney makeup, Disney like unboxings of bags and all of that good stuff, will be over on that channel, and that is Beauty and the Z. I will link it in the comment section or the description box below, just so you guys can go and check it out if you want to. You can go over there and subscribe. I've only filmed one video and posted it on there, and it's just kind of an introduction to me on that channel. And I have another one coming tomorrow. So if you are seeing this today, today's Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. Depending on when I upload it, it will be up on that channel if you want to go see it. It is a unboxing, so I know a lot of you guys love those. But yeah, so I wanted to kind of get your feedback. If you're willing to go over there and subscribe on that channel, then I'll kind of have a better gauge on like how many of you are actually interested in the Disney content versus this content. There will still be makeup and lifestyle content on here, but I just needed to take a step back, kind of refocus, kind of figure out priorities. It's been a very interesting summer and a very kind of depressing summer in a lot of aspects, but I also did travel a lot. I went to Disney quite a few times, with also everything with that. So the channel is new. I also started a new Instagram, Beauty and the Z, as well. All of my Disney content is on there. I post very frequently on the Instagram, so if you would like to go and follow me on there, that'd be great. If not, no big deal. I'm just doing it for fun. It's just so I can kind of separate my content and have more of a focus on this channel and more of a focus on that channel. So without any more blabbing on, I want to unbox this FabFitFun box and see what I got, because I did not customize it at all, so I have no idea what's gonna happen in here. I missed customization period, and I wanna see what I got. Okay, so the box this month is very square, and it is obviously fall themed with the fall color scheme and the fall flowers. Cardboard box, awesome for recycling. I'm going to open this up. So the inside of the box kind of follows that same fall motif with all the leaves. And this box is massive. So I'm also using a older camera, G7X Mark II. I've had this for a long time. It's just more mobile, and I wanted to move around to different spaces because that room right now is going under some serious like changes. My whole house is. I'm kind of going through a redecorating, organizing phase, which I know everybody can completely relate to. So okay, so this is a $15 just regular referral card, the magazine, which always helps because then you know what you're getting. Let's see, it comes with a Bright Sellers $60 credit, which is kind of typical, and the HelloFresh voucher. Okay, the paper is polka dotted, which is cool. And let's see, I'm just gonna kind of go in order, but I'm gonna open the catalog to the correct page so we can actually see what's going on. So I won't actually know what retails for what, or what was customizable versus not. So we're just gonna skip that part today. So first thing is the Zoe Ayla eco-friendly comb set. Has 2 combs in here. I don't really use combs like ever. So on the back it says these combs are environmentally friendly and perfect for all types of hair from curly to straight. If I can open this, that'd be cool. This might come in handy for when I want to do like braids and stuff. So it's kind of like a light pink long tail comb and then a wide tooth comb. These are always really great to have if you don't have any. So it's pretty cool. They're nice quality. Next, we have a Stojo collapsible cup with 4 reusable straws. That's awesome. My niece, whenever I have her come over here, she loves straws. So we always have straws on hand for her. And let's open this cup. Ooh, it's beautiful coloring. Cups that go like that. And I don't really know where this part goes. I'm assuming in the middle. Kind of like a coffee cup. And just unscrews. And then it has like the standard kind of coffee lid with a little plastic open side, or I think this is probably where you could put a straw in as well. Yep, so you can put the straw in that hole as well. So that's awesome. And then the 4 reusable straws that come in the pack are smaller, but there's 4 different colors and they all kind of complement the cup. So very cool, very handy for people who are kind of on the go, or if you have children and they love straws and all that good stuff. Came with a lip balm from Dr. Rogers. So lip balm's always good, but I do have an allergic reaction to quite a few lip balms, so we will hope that that doesn't do that for me. This is, ooh, it's a candle. It is by Air House. I feel like I've seen this brand somewhere. I can't really recall where. And this is evergreen scented. Ooh, it's so pretty. It has a copper container. Candles are just like every other probably woman or male out there. I guess a lot of people love candles. Are one of my absolutely favorite things. Ooh, it smells really good. It's not like too overpowering of like an evergreen smell, so it's not like too wintry. I feel like this is like a really perfect fall candle, and this container is gorgeous, so definitely be putting that out very soon. I also have some moisturizing balm, Shea and Moringa Balm, and it's a squeezy tube one. It's just for hands and body. It's a balm, not like a hand lotion, so that's a little bit different. I got some socks, ooh, from Fry, the boot brand. These are boot socks, and it looks like it's like a charcoal gray and a black shade color. Socks always come in handy for fall and winter for me, so that's awesome. I believe this is a beer, but it's alcohol free. That's interesting. This is the Heineken 0.0 alcohol, and it's a little can, which is actually really cute. Because my dad does not drink and he loves the taste of like the alcohol-free beers, and this is like such a tiny little container that is so cute. So that's actually really awesome. I don't really drink either, but I don't like the taste of beer, so this will definitely go to him. And then, ooh, an eyelash curler. Not many people buy like eyelash curlers just to buy eyelash curlers, so it's kind of fun when you just get them for a gift or whatever. And then you don't have to purchase it. This, ooh, plastic is just flying everywhere. Hold on a minute here. By the brand Babe Lash, and it's a pro lash lifter. Rose gold. I don't really use eyelash curlers. I probably should, but I don't. It's interesting because I just bought myself a new electric toothbrush, but this is a battery powered toothbrush. This is the black battery powered toothbrush, and it says it has been engineered to maintain your overall oral health and deliver a superior clean feeling. It includes 1 handle, 2 replacement heads, 2 AA batteries. That's always good because then you don't have to charge it. You can just bring some batteries with you, and it comes with the batteries. It's a solid black toothbrush. And let's put these batteries in here. Let's see how powerful it is, because I usually use the Philips brand. So a couple different features or options on here. Did come with a manual, and now I don't know where that manual is. There's standard brushing mode, gentle mode, and then pulsing massage mode. Each 30 seconds, the system will automatically pause for a short time and then continue to work to remind the user to change to another quadrant area to brush. 2-minute working time, and it'll automatically power off. There we go. That's always super handy to have. Okay, so that's everything that I got. Realistically, I will probably only use a couple of these things. Like, I'm really excited about the candle. The toothbrush is kind of cool for like traveling, so I don't have to bring my bigger one. Like, this is more lightweight, but it's still kind of the same size. But it's still pretty powerful, which is nice. The boot socks, I already have a lot, so I'll probably end up either donating these or giving them to somebody. You can always use hand balm. The reusable collapsible cup, cool concept. I don't know like how frequently I would use that, so I'll probably gift this to my niece. Chapstick is kind of blah, and the combs are okay. So, I mean, it was an okay box. Am I in love with it? No. Would I use a lot of these things? Probably not. So, yeah, that was my fault for not customizing it and selecting the items that I wanted, but in some ways it's kind of nice because then you get surprised with stuff that you may or may not use, I guess. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, if you would like to see all of my Disney content, it will be on another channel. You can head on over there to subscribe. I will put that in the description box down below so you guys can go check it out if you want. I really appreciate all your love and support. I'm sorry that it's been such a crazy summer. I hope your summer was actually better than mine in a lot of ways. And yeah, I really appreciate everything that you guys have done and how long you've stuck around, and I couldn't ask for anything more. So I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye guys.